Remy Brown.
The big angle.
Soon as we step in at the place, everybody to the center. They know they use us, they play. They know say we no be joke.
So when you want to start using an application, the first thing you need to do is what? To launch the application, right? So you can either double click on the shortcut on the desktop, FS to the 20, or go through the menu to look for FS20. You are going through the program list, you have to go through all programs, then you look for image line. Let's look for image line. This is image line. So when you click on image line, it's like a folder. You see what? FL20. Just in case you lost your shortcut, this is just a shortcut on the desktop. It might get missing. Maybe mistakenly you delete it and you don't find FL in the system. Once you have installed it, then you should just go through your Windows icon. Then you go to all programs. Look for image line. Then you click on FS20. So let's click on FS20. And this is how Fruity looks like. There are a lot of improvements that have been made on this software, starting from when it was in FL3, FS Studio 3, FS Studio 5, FS Studio 8, FS Studio 10, FS Studio 9, FS Studio 12, then we now have FL20. So there have been some plugins that have been added and some upgrading that have been added to the software. Now welcome to Fruity Loops 20. What do we use this application to do? You can use it to make beats and you can also use it to record. So sometimes we call it a sequencer and some people might call it a DAW system. What is a DAW system? DAW means digital audio workstation. A DAW system is like a complete suite that you can use for your production, starting from making beats, recording, mixing, and mastering. Those are the process of music production. There are some things you need to know. This thing that you see here is called a channel rack. You can see it written on it, channel rack. When you talk about rack is something that holds some devices. You understand? It holds devices. Like these are some devices and you can make a rack just like shoe rack. You understand? You place your shoe, you arrange your shoe in it. So what happens in this rack is that you place channels in them. It helps you to arrange your channel. But this box is called a channel rack. You understand? Now this icon, you can use it to view and unview the channel rack. You can bring it up, you can take it away. In case you lost it, you can also always bring it up. Sound samples are like short audios that you use in Fruity Loops most of the times. That is basically what you use in FL to make sound. What do I mean by sound samples? I'll just give you an example of it. For example, you have a kick. That's a sound samples. Sound sample. You understand? So when you click on this sound sample and you drag it out into this channel rack, what happens? It fits into it. That's the channel rack.
Ayakata, wonder. Sometimes I do wonder why some people want on themselves to hate her. Ever maybe one way them day when boys they younger. Bad belesha, oh don't go on the start to they shout for no reason. You the vex for me. I no get time and I'm too busy.
The next view I want to show you is the browser. The browser. This is the browser view, the one you have by this side, by the left side of the screen. You can view the browser by clicking on this, and you can unview it by clicking on this button. What do you have in the browser? It holds sound samples and other ingredients needed for effective beat making. You see all these instruments that you want to use to make sound, the guitar, the piano, the sound samples and all that, it is located in this browser. So this browser is like a window into your computer system. You have the files, every file that is associated to this project, every preset, every plugins, every sample that you need to use in this application, rather than going into folders on your system, looking for them, bringing them inside of this place. What do you have to do? You just do what? You just go through the browser. So the next view is the playlist view. You can view the playlist view by this icon, and you can take it off through this icon. Just clicking on it, it brings it up and takes it. This view is called a playlist view. The playlist view. So what happens in the playlist view? It holds the arrangement of various patterns created through piano rolls or step sequencer. What happens in your channel rack is that you make your beats, you make your sequence, you make patterns of beats, sequence of beats and all that, you make sounds. Now in this playlist view, this is where you will arrange all those patterns and tunes that you have made using your channel rack. So the next view I would like to show you is the mixer view. The mixer view. You can bring up the mixer view by clicking on this button, and you can hide it by clicking on it. All those views are placed in this place. So this is what the mixer view looks like. What happens in it? It allows mixing and adding effects to channel rack instruments and sound samples. So every instrument you have placed in the channel rack, you connect them to what? To the mixer for effecting, equalizing, leveling the volume and every other thing that you need to do to make sure that that sound is sounding the way it should sound.
So what can I do now? I can now place this on my sound Control B. When it is highlighted, Control B will duplicate it. Other drawer or app is not percent. So Control B. So I have this now. So what I can now do is to create another pattern. Another pattern for this one. So the shortcut is F4. F4, or you choose here. So either of this. So if I click on this, this is what I'll see. So if I click on this is what I'll see too. So I might call it tone. I can call it rhythm, I can call it anything. From here, I can call it tone. See this tone, I want to use it tone. So I'll bring it from there. So this now will not enable you to play. Synthetic, similar to this lead. And you have our voice and chorus, similar to your pad or string. If you come here, you get similar sound. You can see. This is the level. How much of this delay do you want? It's controlled by this level.